All right, welcome to this compilation playlist of videos for crypto beginners. Maybe you're here from TikTok, one of these, my Instagram, maybe you're here from Twitter. Wherever you found this playlist, this is a playlist of videos that I think are helpful for crypto beginners. So this is actually going to be one of the most helpful videos in this playlist because I'm going to give you what they call the alpha, which is just like the truth or like the best strategies, right? For free. You're not paying for this. This is a free playlist. So let's get into it right now. First of all, make sure you subscribe to the channel, right? This is the Crypto Mason channel that you're on. My content is not so much of like education content. It's more of, and I'm going to tell you the difference between these contents. It's more of like current news and keeping you up to date with what the market is doing, right? We cover the charts every day. We cover all the coins that we are invested in every day. And we cover all of the cryptocurrency news. That's important, right? So once you learn how to maneuver in this space, you can actually start watching these daily market updates. I do it every day, right? Every day I get on there and update people on what my thoughts are on the market. So just to start off like that, also follow me on Twitter right here if you're new. Now, this is the playlist you're going to go through, right? And I've just thrown together a couple videos, or not a couple. There's 18 videos here. Some of them are very long, as you can see, 22 minutes, right? There's one that's like 2 hours right here. But in this video that you're watching right now, I'm going to give you like the basics of what you need, right? Before you're going to get into some of these. So, and by the way, some of these videos are old, so you can enjoy my afro hair. But let's go. So, the first thing is, you want to start with YouTube channels like this. Coin Bureau makes what I call timeless content. He makes timeless, or he has a big vault of timeless content. Go to his playlists, right? And right here, just start consuming, right? Just start consuming. You can go to, I guess he doesn't have one that's like good for beginners. But this is, just scroll down his stuff, right? And look for, actually, I have some in here, right? When to sell your altcoins, complete guide, explaining crypto to beginners. So start with his content, okay? He makes timeless content that you can just like, you can study up on your crypto. Also, Exodus. The Exodus channel has a series called, what's it called? This one, the Crypto Reviews. Now, you guys don't understand how valuable this is. Go through this and click on any little video. What is Tezos? Right? This is a coin. This guy will make you a nice 5-minute video explaining this coin. And one of the best exercises I've ever made in my head for beginners in crypto, this is where everybody watches their charts. Or everybody watches their coins go up and down here. And this is like the hub of all the coins, right? coinmarketcap.com. So you can scroll down, you can see these are all the cryptocurrencies. At the top, we can see there's 13,000 cryptocurrencies right now. 13,000. It's pretty crazy, right? It's not just Bitcoin. For all the beginners, it's not just Bitcoin. There's other things too. So what you're going to want to do is click on one of these. Let's go to Cardano. Click on that. Right? And it's going to pull up the page where you can see all the data about Cardano. Now scroll down, past that, past this, go to read more. Read more. What is Cardano ADA? Okay. Look at how beautiful. They have a nice write-up on what this thing is. And maybe you're not going to understand some of these terms, but they have a nice write-up. Who are the founders? What makes it unique? Right? And one thing I want you to pay attention to is right here, the tags. So right here on my screen, the tags, click view all, and you can see what type of thing this has going on, right? Smart contracts. All of these terms you're going to come to learn eventually, right? So if you're reading this and you see a term that you don't know, first of all, you can click on it. So they have a nice write-up right here. By the way, crypto is not the lazy man's game. It is not the lazy man or woman's game. This is not the lazy person game, man. You got to be reading, you got to be watching, consuming, and learning. So you can click on these terms, right? Like, what is proof of stake? Click on that one. What is smart contract? They allow you to click on that one, right? Go down the list of these cryptos and you'll start to see categories. You'll start to see categories, and those categories are right here. You have research coins. You have energy coins. You have e-commerce, right? Cybersecurity, privacy, social money, decentralized exchanges, marketing coins. You have real estate coins, entertainment, meme coins, storage coins. Look at this. All of the categories. So you're going to start to realize what these categories are. Now, that's a good exercise. Just to blindly, just scroll blindly scroll, click on one. eCash. Boom. Scroll down. Right here, they're going to have a write-up. Oh, wow, this one doesn't have a write-up, right? So eCash is trash, in my opinion, by the way, just as a coin. I've looked at that before. But Kusama, look, scroll down. Any of these coins, they should have a write-up, right? That's a big red flag if they don't. Boom, what is Kusama? You can read it, right? They even have terms where you can click interoperable and see what interoperability is. Like, that's a weird word. Like, if you're a beginner, you don't know that word. Next website I'm going to show you, tradingview.com. This is where you get into watching the actual charts, right? You're watching the actual candlestick graphs. Now, you don't need to know all of this, right? But just to give you a basic little, just a basic thing. So if you do go onto this website, you know what's happening, right? Now, let me get all this stuff off of here. All my drawings. Okay, screw the drawings. Here we go. So each one of these candles, you can see. Okay, you can't see it. Hold on. Right up here. Right up here, you have time frames. So 5 seconds, 1 minute, 2 minutes, 15 minutes, 3 hours, daily, right? Weekly, monthly. So what this means is I'm on the daily chart right now. So this is showing me, right? This is this chart right here with these candlesticks. These are called candlesticks. What it's showing me is each one of these, right? Let me take all this stuff off so I don't confuse you. Take this off. Each one of these is 1 day. 1 day. So this is a green one, red one, right? Each one of these equals 1 day of time. And as you can see on the bottom axis right here, we are going through time. So right now it's October 21. So the candle for this day is being formed. Each one of these candles contains 1 day of data. 1 day. And if you can see up here, right here, there is, like, look on your screen because it's probably bigger on your screen now. Up here, right under the time frames, is going to be an O and then a number and then an H and a number, L and a number, C and a number. This means open. This means high, low, and close. So an open and close. The top of this candle right here, not like, see how it's a candle formation, like it's a wick. This is the wick of the candle. The line that goes up is the wick, and the body of the candle is right there. So basically, where the top of the candle ends is where it closed, and it opened at the bottom, right? But you can see the numbers up here. So this candle today has opened at $65,000.604, or $65,000.600, okay? Now, the highest that this coin got during a day so far has been $666,000. And the lowest it has got today has been $61,000. The lowest it's got today has been $61,000. And we don't know where it's going to close yet because this is today's candle. But yesterday, you can see the data from it, right? You can see the data for each of these candles. Now, I can change the time frame to 5 minutes. If I go to 5 minutes, these are all now worth 5 minutes, right? All of these candles are now 5 minutes. So we can see this candle we went down 1.55% in 5 minutes, right? This is how volatile Bitcoin is. This is the Bitcoin to USD chart. If you ever see something like these, BTC/USD, that just means that's called a trading pair, and it means this is Bitcoin versus USDT, or USD. So if we go to XRP, which is another coin, or we'll use Ethereum, you can type it in, and as you can see, it has a euro pair too. So ETH/euro. It also has a Bitcoin pair. So Ethereum trading against Bitcoin, right? People are trading Bitcoin for Ethereum, and others are buying Ethereum with their Bitcoin, right? There always needs to be a buyer and seller on the end of this. See, there right now, there's somebody who's wanting to buy Bitcoin at this price. That's how this works. A little bit on that. I don't want to make this video too long as a beginner video. Actually, I should. I don't even care. If you're really about it, you're still watching right now. If you really are eager to learn, you're watching right now. So this is where you're going to want to get an exchange account, Binance, Coinbase, and KuCoin as fast as possible, ASAP. You want to register on here ASAP. I will have links in the description as well. If you want to support me in teaching you guys, there's a referral link. So use the referral link if you want to support me and sign up for an account here. So basically, get this account fast. The reason I say get these accounts fast is because it takes a while to verify your identity, right? You have to send in your ID. This is standard for all of crypto. Don't be scared of it. It's just so that when we make millions of dollars, they know who did it. They need to get your ID, right? They need to get your name, all that stuff. There's no avoiding it, okay? So register for those accounts, get your identity verified, and those are the main three, man. You're set. If you get a verified Binance, verified Coinbase, verified KuCoin, you're set. Main three. So that's a little bit about TradingView, a little bit about CoinMarketCap. By the way, you can go to CoinMarketCap's Learn category. So click on the Learn here. The Learn, go to Alexandria. And it has tons of amazing articles here. Crypto Basics, there's 225, man. But for me, the biggest thing is going to be to point you in the right direction. So let's talk more about the coins that I hold, right? I'm a long-term investor. So there's a difference between long-term investor and traders. I'm majority a long-term investor, which means I put my money in and I do my research on the coins that I put my money in, and it goes up in the long term. So like I'm talking like 1 to 5 years is what I'm holding these for, and what I've been holding some of these for 5 years already. Specifically one called XRP. So, or you can learn to day trade. Now, I am not a day trader. I'm a swing trader. Swing trader means, like, for example, this would be a swing trade. So I see Cardano, it's at a good entry price, right? Cardano's at a good entry price. So I put some money in. I put $1,000 in, $500 in, and then I think that coin's going to go up in a couple weeks. Not in the day, in a couple weeks. So, and then I wait a couple weeks and watch the charts play out. If Cardano's up, then I sell it and take my profit, right? I sell it for a profit. So maybe in 2 weeks, Cardano goes up to $2.50. Now I've made a nice like 15% profit. Easy, right? That's swing trading. But you can use these charts to map out and find a good entry point. For like right now, Bitcoin has just went down just today. It's down 4%, right? So you could pick that dip up, wait for it to go back up. You just made 4% on your investment. That easy. But you could learn day trading. I'm not here to teach you day trading. There is some trading videos inside of this playlist here, right? Ultimate Cryptocurrency Trading Course. We've got a bunch of beginner guides, right? But ultimately, man, you can also go to my TikTok, go to the Learn Crypto section, right? Go to Crypto Mason on TikTok. Go, oh, it doesn't show the playlist. Wow. Doesn't show the playlist. That's okay. So that right on your phone, there will be a playlist thing, and you can click Learn Crypto. I have a Learn Crypto playlist, and dude, you are going to be enlightened. For lack of a better term. You'll be enlightened with an investing mindset that I think is like top tier, a top tier investing mindset, right? So that's what we're rocking with. You can also join my Telegram channel, right? Click the link in my description, and you'll find my YouTube, right? I told you already, you can watch my YouTube videos every day, and you will learn a lot. You will learn a lot. It's I keep it to beginner level too. Like, you could watch my newest video and learn so much and know what I'm talking about right away, basically, you know? I keep it pretty beginner level and standard. I'm not a fan of overcomplicating crypto. Also, follow my Twitter, my Instagram. Get in the Telegram channel, right? Gold Squad. Join the Telegram. And that's it. Welcome to the crypto space, though. I hope that gave you a little bit of direction on where to go. You know, start researching. Go through the coins, the top 100 coins, right? Top one. Actually, let me show you one more thing. One of my favorite ways to look at the market, you'll see this if you watch my YouTube videos, you'll see cryptobubbles.com. This gives you a simple, fun way to see an overview of how the market is doing. So in here is the top 100 coins. Top 100 coins, right? And you can see the green versus the red. It's always the green versus the red here. You want to buy when it's red and sell when it's green. Simple, right? Here's a general overview of what's happening right now. You can also scroll down and see the returns on these. And you'll get excited because all of these are in the green. There's no red. This one that's red for the year I'm talking about, like 1 year of performance, these have made people thousands of percent in 1 year. This one has made 26 million percent. See, this is where we're at. And the ones that are red are just stable coins, which means they're just like pegged to the US dollar. So it's 1-to-1 with US dollars. So they're all green. There you go. Appreciate you watching this. Good luck.